Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Good afternoon. This is not financial advice. Let's look at the stock market and see what the stock market is up to. It's not financial advice. We'll see what the hell is happening in the stock market. It looks like silver dipped like crazy. We're down kind of sort of halfway, a little bit, a lot today. Things are kind of crazy. Kind of sort of halfway crazy a little bit. Let's see, a lot of everything's kind of down. It's insane. It's pretty crazy. Oh, hey there, Tommy Hawk. How's it going, man? You're early today, Nick. What's good, brother? Oh, not much. I'm down on the silver today, which you could see on my portfolio right here. See, like it went down like $3,771, but I'm still in the AGQ. I still haven't sold out. But I logged in earlier because I'm gonna have to get ready for like to do some work tomorrow. I gotta get ready, so I'm gonna do this live stream a little bit earlier today because I gotta finish earlier. But yeah, so this one, see, I'm down right here that much on that one. If I simulate it, it's down over 2,000. But at least I'm still in it. We'll see what happens. Yep, we'll see. How you guys doing? How you doing there, Lance Briefcase? How you doing, Tommy Hawk? But yeah, I'm just kind of checking in, see what's going on a little bit here. Let's see. XRP is down. Actually, XRP is not down too bad. I saw silver dropped heavy. I was thinking about that one. Fucking guy who said no pullback. I know, like that's why I was like worried about that one. Like just getting into the silver trade in general when it's so high, it's risky because it's already more than all time high type deal. And then, but who knows? I'll keep it for a little bit. Like it might recover. We'll see how much though. But yeah, it's all good. It's part of the market. You know, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, right? It's all part of the deal. But at least silver is silver. It's still like a valuable metal, you know. So hopefully we'll see. Maybe things will get better a little bit. It's all good. No worries. Kind of sort of halfway. No worries, right? Even most of the crypto is down a little bit. You can see like almost everything is red. I think the silver kind of dragged everything down with it because it fell down so much. Especially the AGQ, it's the leverage silver. So if silver goes down 1%, that thing goes down 2%. You know, especially with the option, it's like very very volatile, very crazy the way it moves. But yeah, it's down quite a bit. He was too bullish. I was saying you need to marry and trade. I knew something was coming because it was up so much so fast. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I get that. But yeah, for sure, that's pretty crazy. But yeah, anyways, it's not like still not the end of the world or not the end of the universe. You know, silver dipped from what I heard on the news that it kind of dragged everything along with it. There's a whole bunch of margin calls, like some banks were liquidated and stuff like that. Like there's a whole bunch of weird stuff that happened. But yeah, like mainly because of the silver's dip, you know. But yeah, it's crazy. Pretty crazy. But yeah, we'll see. Like so looks like no Santa rally for right now because it kind of dipped a lot. Maybe Santa Claus crashed or something. Maybe that's what happened. Santa Claus kind of crashed sort of halfway, and like bumped silver down, and everything went with it. Like perfect bowling, you know. But yeah, all the most of the crypto's down too. That's crazy. Not even sure what to kind of do on here. I see silver because I not just the AGQ. I got the silver. You know, like what do you call it? I got the this one, not the SLV or SIL. Yeah, I got the SIL. Like apart from the AGQ, I got the what do you call it? SBSW. That's kind of linked with those things a little bit, but not too much. So that one's down. And SIL, that's another one I got. That's kind of follows silver, so that one's down a little bit. But the worst one is the AGQ because that thing's so so leveraged, like the most expensive, and it's leveraged 2x. But yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. So I did get rid of some more companies, so I got a tiny bit of buying power, not much, but we'll see if I have to get rid of some other companies or not. I bet you end up making money in the end. I'll pop back up, I bet. Yeah, hopefully it'll pop back up. I bet. Like we'll see what happens. I'll stay in it for a little bit, and 'cause the thing is, the good thing is still a metal type deal. You know, like metals still have value, so maybe it will bounce back up. You know, we'll see. Oops, Doge is down, like it was before, kind of. XRP down a little bit, quite a bit. But yeah, it's crazy. Just the silver itself pretty much dragged the market down. It's crazy. Hey there, Water Buffalo. How you doing, man? Oh, I see. Well, thanks for thinking about my my plays here in the market. That's pretty cool. How's it going there, Water Buffalo? Like everything's kind of sort of halfway down. Maybe I should ask the paper if silver will recover back to its all times high. See what it thinks. You know. Let's see. Let's see. Will silver recover to its all time highs? Let's see what the paper thinks, and higher eventually. So the paper said yes, that the silver will recover, but who knows how long it'll take though. Just logically thinking, I think it will. But having the leaps contract, I mean, the leaps is like a longer dated one, which is not that bad, but I guess we'll kind of see a little bit. So paper said it'll recover, but we'll see. Let's see, lift. So down on the lift a little bit. So lift started moving up a tiny bit after hours, after market. But yeah, I sold out of a whole bunch of companies, so I don't have too much companies left. The bigger part of it is probably just crypto stuff. So company-wise, yeah, I don't have too much left. Maybe I could add a little bit to the Meta tank, Tesla tank. Like maybe I might be able to add a tiny bit on the Tesla thingy since it dipped. Because right now it's like it dipped 3.28% today, which is not that bad. Let's see, maybe I should ask the paper if I should or not. See what the paper says. Alrighty, let me ask the paper. Should I get some Tesla? Maybe ask it. I made some very good profit on my 2 short contracts. Oh hell yeah, there, Water Buffalo. That's awesome. Congrats. Hell yeah, man. That's sweet. Let's see. Should I get some Tesla? Let's see what the paper says. Oh yeah, that's awesome that you did good on the gold shorting. Hell yeah. So I'll add a little bit to the Tesla. Not much, just a tiny bit. Maybe add like $10. Obviously nothing here is financial advice, but I'm gonna add $10 to my Tesla here. Okay, then I'm gonna check out the Meta thingy because I think Meta kind of dipped a little bit too. Get Tesla purchased. Let's see. I lost 250 this morning, then changed accounts and made 180 red day though. Oh, I see. Yeah, that sucks. That it's a red day, but at least you made 180 though. That's good on the other one. But yeah, red days for sure. They're not fun. Not fun at all. So Meta, it's not down too much, but it is down some, 0.71%. Then after hours, 0.11. Meta sell. Why Meta sell? I could ask the paper, see if I should DCA into Meta and add a little bit more. See what the paper thinks. See what the paper says, probably, right? I see. Maybe I could do that. I can't advise you or tell you how to double your money there. Laubecker 8784. Like I'm kind of down today myself too on the trades that I got, but I can't. I can't give any financial advice on the channel. I could show what I'm doing, but I don't want to tell anybody what to buy, sell, or hold or anything like that. But let me see. I'm gonna ask the paper just for me, not anybody else, just for me. Should I add to my meta? You know, should I add to my meta stock? Let's see what it says. So it says no at the moment. So I guess I'll wait on that one. So I guess I'll kind of sort of halfway wait on this one a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway wait a little bit. I know. I knew that I had a bad feeling about the AGQ thingy. Either red or black on roulette, or maybe a job. I know, right? For sure. I can't I can't say how to double any money 1K or whatever it is. Like this is not financial advice. And anyways, it's kind of not that easy to double money. So yeah, I can't really say what to buy, hold, sell, anything like that. But yeah, the paper said not to get any of the Meta. Maybe the Amazon. Maybe I could add a little bit to the Amazon. That might be kind of worth it for me a little bit. So it's down 0.19 today, up 0.01 after hours. So it's not too bad. So maybe I could. Maybe it's a decent area to DCA. Let me see what the paper says. I'm gonna ask the paper and see what the paper thinks. Let's see. Should I DCA into the Amazon thingy? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. Okay, so the paper looks like it doesn't want me to DCA into the Amazon thingy for some reason. Okay, I see what the flipping 8 ball thingy says because it got the 8 ball thingy. So I'll see what the 8 ball thingy says. I'm gonna see what it says. Okay, let's check it out. See what the 8 ball thingy says. Get it. Stay put here. Okay. So that 8 ball thingy says. So the 8 ball thingy says, as I see it, yeah. See. As I see it, yeah. So the 8 ball thinks it's a yes for to DCA into Amazon. It's kind of weird. So paper is one thing, and the 8 ball thing is the other thing. Kind of weird. Maybe I'll do a final confirmation with the paper and ask the paper again. See what it says. Maybe I'll ask the paper to confirm it, whether to DCA into Amazon or not. We'll see what it says. We'll see what it kind of sort of halfway says on that one. Let's see. What does the paper say on that one? So paper said double no. So I guess it's a no. No on this thingy at the moment. No on the Amazon at the moment. Kind of sort of halfway. Let's see. I like Netflix at this price. I need ALAB and CWV calls this week too. Oh, I see. That sounds pretty decent. I wish you would have stayed in your short with me, Nicky. I know. I wish I would have too, there, Water Buffalo, but unfortunately, I didn't. It's kind of. I guess sometimes you can't catch all of them very good plays, right? It is what it is. Maybe one of them will be a pretty decent one. But I'm glad you made some good profit there, Water Buffalo. That's awesome. Hell yeah, man. Hopefully everybody here made a whole bunch of profit. But it kind of is what it is. Let's check Netflix. The Netflix thingy. It's hard to stay in any future trade and talk about nerve-wracking. Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely like not easy. especially when it's like not a prop firm where like it's all your cash, not like the props type deal. And so it makes it a little bit harder too. So Netflix, yeah, it's kind of like at a discount. So do I have any? I have a little bit, $9.99 worth of that. Maybe I might add a little bit to it. For the long term, this is kind of a decent one to be in. Maybe toss the paper and see what the paper thinks. See what the paper kind of thinks. And check the prices from before. Oh, excuse me. Thanks. It was just a very bearish pattern. I knew a dip was coming. Yeah, for sure. You're for sure right there, Water Buffalo. Ascending wedge, bear flag. I see. I see. You deserve the gain. I'm dying after a minute or two of waiting in a trade. Wow. Let me see. Should I get some Netflix? I'm gonna flip the paper, see if I should DCA into Netflix a little bit. Let's see what it says. Should I get some Netflix? Let's see what it says. So at the moment, it said no. Maybe things might dip more. But yeah, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird that the Santa rally is not really a Santa rally this season. We'll see. That could change because it's still in that time frame where it's still part of it. We'll see if actually everything reverses like crazy and goes back up. But so far, it doesn't really look like a Santa rally. It looks like a Grinch rally, possibly, potentially, maybe. kind of, sort of halfway, potentially a Grinch rally. Paper is defensive tonight. Could be a bearish week. Yeah, that's a possibility for sure. That's funny. Paper's kind of bearish. The eight ball is kind of bullish a little bit, but paper's more on the bearish side. But yeah, let me see what kind of things I have here. So yeah, today it kind of dipped quite a bit, down $3,768. But at least it's not unrealized. So if it does recover in the near future, it should be fine, But we'll see what happens though. Let's see the crypto. Maybe one of the cryptos I might add a little bit. XRP is decent. It's kind of down. Maybe I should add a little bit to that one. Last week still had a intraday high on S&P, but not the 5% normally see and off here. Oh, I see. Let me see. I'm gonna toss the paper and see if I should add a little bit to my XRP holdings. Let's see what the paper says. Should I add a little bit to my XRP? Let's see what it says. Oh, so the paper kind of likes the XRP thingy today, so I guess I get to add some of that. I guess I get to add a little bit of the XRP. Not too much, but maybe I'll add like $3 to dollar cost average. I think that's better enough than throw it a lucky 3 at it. Doge, I'll leave that be. Shiba, I'll leave that be. Maybe this one, maybe the meal thingy. That thing's down quite a bit. Maybe I should see if I should add to this one, Let's see, should I feed the flippin' Cyber Kitty in the Cyber Puppy world? Let's see if I should do that one. Should I feed the Cyber Kitty in the Cyber Puppy world? Let's see. Oh, so I guess the paper wants the Cyber Critters to starve a little bit. That kind of makes sense. Paper wants the Cyber Critters to starve. Oh, well, it is what it is. It is what it kind of is. Let's see which other one. Maybe the scroll thingy, this Cyber Critter. See if I should feed that one. Let's see. I don't have too much in that one, but I could ask the paper. See if I should add a little bit to that one. Let me see. Should I feed Peanut the Cyber Scroll? Should I flip and feed Peanut the Cyber Squall? Let's see what it says. That's weird. It doesn't want me to feed most of the cyber critters. It says no. That's so weird. The paper is kind of being a little bit more bullish. I mean, a little bit more bearish. Paper is a little bit on the bearish side today. It's kind of funny. Kind of sort of halfway funny. I'm gonna drink some coffee here. Drink some coffee, drink some tea. Let's see, click on BITC here for a second. See what that's doing. So Bitcoin, I don't have too much of it, but maybe I could possibly add a little bit on that one. You know, since it's at a dip, might be a good opportunity a little bit for me. Oh, yummy tea. But I don't know. Flip the paper and see if I should get some Bitcoin. Let me see. Should I get some Bitcoin? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, so paper doesn't want me to even get some Bitcoin. That's weird. Paper is kind of very bearish right now. Paper's kind of sort of halfway very bearish at the moment. It's like almost doesn't want me to get anything. Let me try Ethereum. See if it wants me to get Ethereum. See, gotta find my Ethereum here. Okay, there's Ethereum. Let's see, that one's down 2.80%. Let me see. Let me ask the paper, see if I should get at least a little bit of that thingy. Let's see. Should I DCA to my Ethereum? Let's see what it says. That's weird. It likes Ethereum for some reason. I guess I could add a little bit of that thingy. I could add a tiny bit of that thingy. Hell yeah. Not much, but maybe like $3. Probably be better than nothing. Kind of sort of halfway better than nothing. Okay, here that field. Let's see what QQQ looks like today. So QQQ down 0.48% today. After hours it's up 0.01. So yeah, like no Santa rally for this thingy. It's dipping a bit. Let's see. Maybe I could try out SPY. See how SPY looks like. Alrighty, SPY's also down today. No Santa rally for SPY thingy. Down 0.36 today. After hours, it's up a little bit, 0.03. Let's see what the chart looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, hopefully it goes back up, but we'll see what happens. We'll kind of see what happens. Looks like it has a tiny bit of momentum towards the upside, but we'll see. We'll flip and see what it does. Okay. Let's see the AGQ right now. See if I go to that one. So AGQ is still like being around the 163.33. See what the potential move on that looks like. Yeah, it's kind of dipping. See how far I'll keep on dipping. Are you still in your AGQ option? Oh, yes, I'm still in the AGQ option, Water Buffalo. The AGQ option, so it's a leaps right there. It expires January 15, 2027. So I'm in that one. Then I'm in the SBSW leaps and the SIL leaps. So all of those are down right now. But we'll see what happens. I'll probably stay in it a little bit because hopefully at least it'll reverse to the upside somewhat. But we'll see what happens. it's like far outdated, so there's still like time for it to recover, but we'll see. We'll see what will be worth doing. Um, Kind of is what it is a little bit sometimes. Let's see, check the Walmart thingy. So the Walmart's going up. That's pretty decent. Hmm. Nvidia. Let's check Nvidia. I hope it does recover for you. Oh, thank you there, Water Buffalo. Thanks, man. You're awesome, man. I knew that option was dangerous. I was saying the break-even price was making me cringe. I hope it recovers though. Yeah, I know. Like, I like didn't feel safe about it too, but the guy was like way too pushy and like saying not to sell it, like where it's at an all-time high. It's just kind of risky. Well, like I said, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Things is still not anybody's fault. It's my fault because I'm the one that did the trade. Even if somebody on here says something or whatnot, it's still ultimately it's still my fault, my choice to do the trade. So just all my fault. And still, it's a leap. So it could still recover. You know, we'll see what happens. It's not like the end of the world. Even if it doesn't recover, it doesn't matter. But still, there's a chance, there's a possibility for it to kind of recover. We'll see what happens. We'll kind of sort of halfway see what happens. It's a different one that I'm in by myself. Probably leave that one be. Let's see. That fucking Detroit guy was so certain, though. It's hard to think he's wrong. I know, yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. Sometimes, like, people are too optimistic about some things, I guess. Got the silver thingy. That's the one I got. But, like, I think hopefully it'll recover. We'll see. It's the silver one. It's, like, pretty much at an all time high, getting expensive contracts at all time high. Yeah, definitely risky. Definitely kind of risky. I guess we kind of sort of halfway learn from our mistakes, right? At least I try to for the most part. Is it still in profit for you at all? Is which one still in profit for me? What we trading today? Oh, hey there, Sam Bushel, Thor's hammer system. What we trading today? I don't know. Like what we trading today? I sold out of some of my stocks a little bit today, but like kind of down on a whole bunch of my positions today, mainly on silver, AGQ on silver stuff. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm just kind of adding a tiny bit to some stocks that I got a little bit into some crypto. Well, nothing crazy. This chat can be dangerous. A ton of strange recommendations every stream. I know. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely risky. Like for sure. Market makers are just shaking weak hands out the game. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, hopefully you'll be okay. Also, watch SXT. What's the SXT thingy? Sentient Technologies. So let's see down today. So just kind of have it on the watch list. You're saying it has like some good potential, maybe. For the max, it's up 442. 5 years, it's up 27. Let's see. Does it have a dividend? So it does have a dividend, 1.7%. SXT. Oh, it's crypto. Oh, I see. Not that one. Oh, okay. SXT. So out of this one, the SXT, that's the only one that's right here. Which one is it? See, there's this one. That's the one I was looking at. There's China SXT Pharmaceuticals, and then that's SXTC, and then there's the SXTP. So I'm not sure which one's kind of like the right one. It's on off exchanges. Oh, the blowfin. Coinbase. Coinbase ETF. So you're bullish on the Coinbase there, Sam Bush Stores hammer system. I don't have any of it. I mean, I got the Coinbase app, the brokerage or whatever, but like I don't have any of this one right now. I think I used to have it. I think I sold out of it. Yeah, I used to have it before. Kind of sort of halfway used to have that one. Let's see, maybe I should get some of that TSL. If Tesla is at a dip, maybe I should add some of it. Oh, SXT is on Coinbase. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I've got Coinbase, but like I haven't used the Coinbase like in forever. So, but okay, I get it. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, so yeah, the TSLL dipped quite a bit. Maybe I should add a little bit to this. I'll ask the paper, see what the paper says. Maybe add a little bit right now. Maybe add like maybe $3 just in case. And then I should ask the paper if I should get some more of the Tesla thingy. Let's see. Should I add some more of the TSLL to my position? Let's see. Should I DCA into the TSLL? So and the paper says yes. I guess I could add a little bit more to that. Not too much, but maybe a little bit won't hurt. Kind of sort of halfway, a little bit might not hurt. Maybe add like $4 more to this one. Okay, that's done. I had a bunch of coin in my Roth and sold it for a break even right before it skyrocketed. Oh wow, that sucks. If you sold it right before skyrocketing, sometimes it just seems to happen like that for the most part. That's kind of crazy, kind of weird. But yeah, that sucks. Oh, Coinbase is JP Morgan of crypto. I see. But yeah, it sucks when you sell your stuff and then right after it goes up. Kind of not too fun when that happens. But yeah, we'll see how far things keep on dipping. See what everything does. Kind of. Definitely got to watch out for those silver thingies just in case if it does decide to dip quite a lot more. Eventually, gotta potentially get rid of it. But maybe I'll try to have a little bit of patience and see what happens with it. At least it's in silver. It's not like in some kind of weird meme coin or like something weird that like will never recover. At least the metal is good. Just hopefully it kind of goes up, enough. We'll see what happens though. See this today's the 12/29. Yeah, I might maybe sell. Maybe I might close out some things, but not everything. But at least it'll be some less taxes to pay if I get rid of some of these. Probably the AGQ I might keep for a little bit. I might get rid of some of these call options that are underwater and then like pay less taxes, but I probably might do that later because maybe if it'll go back up a little bit, I could recover some of it at least, We'll see what happens. We'll kind of sort of halfway see what happens. What do you have that is in the money? What do you have that is in the money? Or what do I have that's in the money? I'm not sure. Like almost. Well, the NVTS, those are cash secured puts. So those are, once it expires, if it's below my price, I'll get called assigned the shares. But that's a long time from now. Like this one, that's a long time from now because it expires June 18, 2026. So that one I could just leave be. This one, 191, it's way lower than that, so I'm out of the money on that. I think I'm pretty much out of the money on almost everything. Lift right now is 1914. So lift lift I think is in the money. Well, actually not in the money because yeah. So probably nothing for the most part is in the money. For the most part, I think nothing's kind of in the money. $15 call. I think it's 1427. Let's see if I simulate this thing. Yeah, see this one simulated down quite a bit. Let's see. A whole bunch of it is down quite a bit. This one, if I simulate it, is down quite a bit. Almost everything. I don't know what happened. I will bounce back. All right, the market is at all-time high. Can you explain your reason on buying now? Just my mistake. Just kind of listening to somebody for the most part. But you know, it is what it is. It's my mistake though, because I made the trade though. The market was crap today. I day and scalp trade SIDU and made 700. What you trade today? Oh, nice. I'm glad you made some money today there, USA 4547. I didn't make any money today. I'm actually down today quite a bit. But yeah. So yeah, for the most part, like all the options, all the everything at the moment is kind of down. Everything's kind of in the red. So it is what it is. I added to some of my positions and got rid of some, but not too much. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm just kind of checking all my stuff and checking where everything's at right now. But yeah, definitely. I mean, I didn't sell at a loss, but it's in AGQ and silver and all that stuff. Hopefully, it'll bounce up and recover, but we'll see. We'll kind of see. Even if I did like the poor man's covered call, that could have hedged my position quite a bit. Remember, I wanted to do the poor man's covered call. If I did that, I could have bought that contract back for like some money. That could have helped the what do you call it, AGQ option, like for the most part. If I did that, I get in SIDU with us. It seems may continue upward. Oh, really? What is the SIDU? Side of space. Oh yeah, today went up quite a bit. So 32.90. After hours 916. Yeah, there's a chance it might go up, like, but it's, again at the same time, I got in like pretty high on silver. That's kind of what kind of screwed me short term. But it still looks like it has room to potentially move up. See, like if I click on over here, maybe it might, especially like where it used to be before. But yeah, just kind of risky. You'll make everything back. Nicky, plus more. You have a good head on your shoulders. Oh, thank you there, Water Buffalo. Thank you. I hope so, but yeah, thanks, man. I'm glad you did good on the shorting gold thing. You hopefully continue like making a whole bunch of profits, man. Yeah, I decided to come in here a little bit earlier because eventually I gotta get prepped for to do some work. So I gotta do some stuff for my company type thing. But yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. Yeah, I just kind of want to bounce over here to the market and kind of see what's going on. Let's see where AGQ is right now. Let's see here. Yeah, so that one's still kind of going sideways, but still at a pretty decent dip. Still at a pretty decent dip. Let's see, go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I don't have too much of that. Maybe just for the heck of it, I'll add $1 worth of it. Okay, let's see. So that one's filled. Let's see. Alrighty. Right, I'll have to go and gotta do some work for my company. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.